Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a drive in Steam. This is super useful if you're running out of space on your primary drive and want to install games on a different storage location. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll want to direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see the word Steam displayed there. Go ahead and click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Settings. This will open up Steam's configuration panel where you can adjust various aspects of how the application works. Once the settings window opens, you'll notice a left panel with different categories listed vertically. Look for the option labeled Storage and click on it. This section is specifically designed to manage where Steam stores your game files and downloads, making it the perfect place to add additional drives for expanding your storage capacity. Now, at the top of the storage section, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal more options. From the list that appears, select Add Drive. This option tells Steam that you want to register a new storage location where games can be installed. It's particularly helpful when your main drive is filling up and you want to distribute your library across multiple drives. After selecting Add Drive, another drop-down menu will appear on your screen. Click on this new drop-down menu to view all available drives on your computer. Carefully select your new drive from the list. This is the drive where you want Steam to be able to install and store games. Once you've selected the correct drive, click the Add button to confirm your choice. Steam will now register this drive as an available storage location for your game library. After clicking Add, you'll want to verify that your drive was successfully added. To do this, click the drop-down menu one more time. You should now see your newly added drive listed among the available storage locations. This confirms that Steam has successfully recognized and registered your additional drive, and you can now choose it as an installation location whenever you download or move games. And that's it. You've successfully added a new drive to Steam, giving yourself more flexibility and storage space for your growing game library. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.